holidays. My name is Scarlett Rose. For those that are new, welcome. For those that have been joining me from the very beginning, thank you so much for helping me grow my channel. Hey you all, this is my daughter Nia.
Hi.
Hey, today we would like to spread some
Holiday cheer.
holiday cheer. We're going to be decorating our Christmas tree like we do every year, and we wanted to spread some Christmas cheer to everyone out there. So hey, let's go ahead and get into decorating our Christmas tree. This Christmas tree is probably about 14 years old, and we just simply decorate the same tree every year. This was a pre-lit tree, but some of the bulbs went out, and we just simply didn't want to toss out the good tree. We just simply added some new bulbs on here, and we just decorate it every year. We love this tree. So let's go ahead and get into decorating our Christmas tree, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. I hope you guys are celebrating and enjoying your family. So let's go ahead and have some fun. So we're gonna go ahead and decorate our bulbs. We're gonna do our bulbs first. right. We're going to go ahead and continue. Wave to the camera. You don't sound me cherry.
Why did you say that? I should stop talking.
People like you smiling. Just trying to spread Christmas cheer. There's a lot of people who don't have nobody. And they look to us. Or they look to, you know, people to cheer them up. To make them happy. When people decorate, they like, it reminds me, and then sometimes people are really sad because they lost all of their family who ain't alive anymore. And you know, they get sad around this time when they don't have the people they used to spend their time with. Enjoying our Christmas cheer. We're bringing to you, decorating our family Christmas tree. We have saved the very, very, very important part of our decorating. We're topping the tree off, y'all. And we're gonna go ahead and top it off with this beautiful, beautiful angel. This was given to me as a gift one year for Christmas from Charles and Doreen, my great friends. And we're going to go ahead and top this tree off with this beautiful, beautiful black angel. All right. So my daughter, I'm going to give her the honor of topping the tree. Here. Blue Carmelo, tell everybody hi. Tell everybody hi. Say hi. Now you can't eat my bugs. All right, sit down. All right, that looks beautiful, Mia. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's go ahead and wish everyone. All right, I hope we brought you some great Christmas cheer. My daughter and I, and from our family to yours, we would like to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Feliz Navidad. We would like to wish you guys a happy and joyous and prosperous blessed New Year 2021. If you haven't already hit that like and that subscribe, hit it now. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Bye. See you next time.